आचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, आज मैं राजेंद्र प्रसाद के बारे में एक स्पीच बोलने जा रहा हूँ। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद भारत देश के रत्न थे। वे बिहार के गौरव थे। उनका जन्म 3 दिसंबर 1884 ईस्वी को हुआ था। उनके गांव का नाम जीरादेई है। वे पढ़ने में बहुत तेज थे। वे सभी परीक्षाओं में सब प्रथम स्थान पर रहते थे। वे आज़ादी की लड़ाई में भाग लिए। वे कई बार जेल गए। उनका निधन 28 फरवरी 1983 ईस्वी को हुआ था। मैं भी उनकी तरह पढ़ाई करूंगा और देश की सेवा करूंगा।
I am delivered a short speech on Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was a very intelligent student. He stood first in all the examination. He was born on 3rd December 1884 at Jiradei in Bihar. Rajendra Prasad was a very intelligent student. He stood first in all the examination. He became a lawyer, but he gave up his running practice for India's freedom. He took an active part in the struggle. He went to jail several times. When India got freedom, he became the first president. He retired in May 1962. He died on 28th February 1963. Rajendra Prasad was a good leader. He was a great scholar and writer. He was a simple, kind and gentle man. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He was sent by nature. We must follow his ideals. Thank you.
I am here to give a short speech on Dr. Rajendra Prasad. We all know about Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first president of our country. He was born on 3rd December 1884 at Jiradei in Bihar. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a very intelligent student. He stood first in all the examinations. Then he became a lawyer, but he gave up his learning practice for India's freedom. He went to jail several times. When India got freedom, he became the first president. He was retired in May 1962. He was died on 28th February 1963. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a good leader. He was a great scholar and writer, but he was very simple, kind and gentle. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He was a sant by nature. We must follow his ideals. Thank you.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India and great Indian freedom fighter. He was born on 3 December 1884 in the Jiradei village, Saran district of Bihar. His father name was Mahadev Sai and his mother name was Kamleshwari Devi. Rajendra Prasad earlier education started from Chhapra Jilla School. After the completion of complementary school, he went to study T.K. Ghosh Academy in Patna. He joined Presidency College, Kolkata in 1902. Dr. Rajendra Prasad hold a doctorate degree in the field of law. He was joined the High Court of Bihar as a lawyer in 1960. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was good social worker, lawyer, statesman and political leader. He was joined Indian National Congress in 1911. He was elected as the president of Indian National Congress as the Mumbai season in October 1934. He sent to jail many times when the country became independent of India. He was famous for being the first president of India. He was born on 3rd December 1884. His birthplace was a small village called Jiradei in the state of Bihar. He was a very brilliant student and always stood first in his class. After completing, he became a lawyer and a teacher. He left his wife joined to the fight for India's freedom against the British. When India became republic in 1950, he was chosen as the first president. Even though he was president, he lived in simple and humble life. He truly believed in motto of simple living and high thinking. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna, which India's highest award. Dr. Rajendra passed on 28 February 1963. We will always remember him for his honesty, simplicity and love for India. Thank you.